Good morning.
Good morning.
So we just picked up Angie.
Hi.
And now we're at Kingly Heights picking up breakfast.
Picking up breakfast.
Cheese and bacon.
It's currently 7 a.m. and for winter, I'm surprised the sun is actually up. It was so cold this morning. Was it cold for you, baby?
No, it's good.
And look, it's Dad.
Morning. Okay, let's go.
Okay. So guys, we are just entering the beach through what was that called?
I'm not too sure what it's called.
I'll put it in the description
But
below.
you go all the up to Redheads because that's the only entry there is now because everything else is closed.
So we finally found the actual entrance and we're heading onto the beach now. And today we have 6 cars.
Yeah, 6 cars, 3 Ford Rangers, 1 Hilux and 1 Prado. They're pretty new, so they're one of their first times. We're going to teach them how to do recovery, snatch, winch, how to use max track, how to drive safely on the beach. So yeah.
Yeah,
it's gonna be good.
Gonna be a good adventure today because this group is actually quite new to this type of adventure, including myself. So Kevin and his family has been doing beach driving a couple of times already, and they kind of know.
We know how and what we know what not to do.
Yeah, they know what.
Oh, can I get that?
Oh. So yeah, we're entering now. People walk up there. Oh, we can't even take a mad photo no more.
Yeah.
Wait, stay here, okay? Go, Jason, go! Keep going, you got it! Yeah, Jason!
Wait.
Are you stuck?
I think something happened to my car.
Oh no.
We're going to teach them how to do recovery, snatch, winch, how to use max track, how to drive safely on the beach. We know what not to do. We know what not to do.
What happened to the Ranger? I told you, mate. Hard luck at the bus. Nah, hard luck at the best, mate. Yee.
Annabelle!
Up.
It's not working!
What am I meant to do?
So, the problem is that we cannot
It's so weird.
we cannot go onto the dunes, which is over there. Annabelle, point to the dunes.
Over here.
Oh, guys, this is Annabelle, by the way. Hi, Annabelle.
Hi.
Yeah, and then basically, we went down and then we parked along the beach and took a photo. And then Kevin and I left first and decided to take some photos. And I was like, Kevin, can you spin your wheels? And then he decided to go all out. And now his front wheel is not engaging. See how his back wheels are spinning, but his front wheels aren't. What are your thoughts?
I don't know. I can't fix this.
We're just trying to figure out why. Okay, so we thought something broke, but Uncle Bun and like all the other uncles said nothing's broken because
Nothing's leaking.
we would have seen oil or some sort of liquid coming out of the vehicle. So thank Buddha, nothing is broken. At least that's what we think. Okay, hi guys. We tried to pull Kevin's car out with one Ranger, but it's not working.
Yeah. So now we're gonna try another car. Hopefully it works.
Yeah.
Annabelle.
Are we doing? Is it? This couple, this guy.
So what happened? It looks like we're gonna double strap to see if it works, and if it doesn't, no luck, then we have to have another car to pull Jason's car, and then Jason's pulling Kevin's car.
Safe.
Yes.
So what happened? It looks like we're gonna double strap to see if it works, and if it doesn't work,
Remember, yeah, 50 meters, yeah.
But make it a bit better. More energy.
More energy. Okay. Longer, better. Yeah, because he run further enough to pull it. If it's too short, okay, let's go. It's like you run too short. Yeah.
Mom, Angie.
Sao thế? Chắc phải 2 chiếc quá à? 2 chiếc kéo rồi. Không nổi đâu. Không. Kéo nổi. Cái này kéo chút xíu thì ok, chứ mà đi nguyên đoạn đường rồi kéo không nổi.
That's okay. That's okay. Ủa nó chạy rồi, con wheel nó drive rồi đó.
Hi guys, so our GoPro died and we're actually on our way home from Blacksmiths Beach. It's currently 4:30 p.m. We weren't able to do the things we used to do on Blacksmiths Beach, like we used to be able to drive on the sand dunes. Anything else?
Yeah, you used to be able to drive over the sand dunes, go over them, go to the back side of the sand dunes, have multiple access onto the beach.
Yeah, oh my goodness. And now they like closed off all the exits, so there's only one main entrance, and there are like barricades now, so you can't actually go onto the dunes anymore. And like we said before, you actually have to get a permit to go drive on the beach. So there wasn't much things to do on the beach, so we ended up just having a mini picnic and stayed there for a couple of hours. It is a good campsite.
You
but
can camp anywhere on the beach. You still got the whole beach front. You can drive up and down if you're a new foot driver. Practice driving your car there. You can go fishing, go swimming. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, there's a lot to do, but like if you're mainly looking to like have fun forward driving on the sand and like your experience, and you're not going there to practice, it's not the place to go, I guess. What do you think?
Sorry.
Yeah, well, that's what I think. I mean, it's fun for beginners, it's fun to camp and all that, and just like Kevin said before. But yeah, we ended up trying, most of the day we just chilled out, ate, talked, catch up, and help pull out Kevin's car. So
It was a good day.
yeah, we're just glad everyone got out safe. The things that we used to do are banned now, so we just kind of really went from there. Yeah, so that's the end of our trip. Thank you everyone for saving us. And I just hope we get home safe now. Everything seems fine so far, so
See you next time.
bye.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight